our vision is that any device that is connected, any endpoint that can connect, can be part of the BlackBerry 10 environment. The opportunities for this are just incredible. So let me show you just one example when we talk about mobile computing, where we want to go, of what we mean by that. You know that our colleagues at QNX are the world leaders in controlled systems and have shown a cutting edge already in connected car technologies. But now we want to show you what we can do with BlackBerry 10 in a mobile computing endpoint like a car. This is the art of the possible. So let's welcome Mark Wrigley, QNX. I assume, Mark, you were just coming in from Florida Turnpike, driving this beautiful car?
Yeah, I must have taken a wrong turn at that exit.
And I'm going to get in here. Really beautiful.
Thanks.
Nice car.
Nice to see you.
So we talked about QNX being in cars already since years.
Yep.
Driving the embedded systems. But now we're taking this to a different level. We are really putting BB10 as a mobile computing platform into the car, right?
That's right.
So tell us a little bit about what we see.
Well, this is pretty cool. We're really excited about this. This is our latest and greatest technology demonstration concept vehicle. So this is something that we threw together at QNX to really show our automotive customers the power of this platform and to stretch our legs a little bit and to show off our engineering chops. So we took a stock Bentley Continental, which is already a pretty beautiful car. We decided we would make it a little bit better. You can see we've added this great big screen in here, which has a couple of interesting characteristics. It's curved so that your finger can reach all the points on it.
Beautiful design into the leather dashboard, right?
Thank you. It was hard to match that stitching, actually. It does.
Did you do it?
Long story.
Okay.
It does some other cool things too. It has pre-touch, so it'll react to the presence of your hand before you even touch the screen.
Wonderful.
And we have physical control on here as well, so it's mounted right on the screen. It's really kind of an interesting feature. It's got a lot of the things that you would expect. We've got all the engine information systems. We've got, climate control, which is really nice in a fancy car like this.
And all run by BB10, right?
This is all running on BB10.
One platform in the car running all of these different services and software features, right?
Yeah, there's been an awful lot of excellent work that's been done in building the BB10 platform from an engineering point of view, and we have very happily taken advantage of this in automotive as well.
Cool.
So lots of cool things, multimedia, of course, beautiful big map, and a couple other cute things as well. When our friends at Bentley heard that we were building this, they asked us if it might be possible to actually integrate video conferencing into the car.
Uh-huh. That's a challenge. That's a challenge.
Well, it's pretty unusual, but this for us was a chance to bring BBM video into the car, which is kind of a no-brainer once it occurred to us.
Oh, you actually started a call. That is so... Oh, man, I know this guy. I know this guy.
Hey,
you like him?
Hey, Mark, how you doing?
Good, Vivek. How are you, man?
I'm great. I'm great.
You're looking great. You sound great, too.
Well, we've got this fantastic BlackBerry audio technology that I'm sure our audience is familiar with BBM video and voice. And we've actually incorporated this in the car, too. So as I move my voice from one side of the phone to the other side of the phone, you should get a great spatial awareness of exactly where I am.
Yeah, it's a full stereo, full audio bandwidth, full duplex call. And you know what, Vivek, it just occurred to me, I think this might be the first time that this has ever been done from a car to a phone.
Yeah, you're right. A first BBM video call, car to phone.
So, Vivek, my friend, where are you actually? This looks kind of like, not like your office.
Well, I'm actually, on vacation.
Oh, come on.
The one you approved in January, you must recall.
Okay. So you're telling me you're missing a BlackBerry live show? I don't believe you for a second, my friend. I don't. I know you are a BlackBerry Live fan. So where are you? Come on.
You're right. Not only can I miss a BlackBerry Live, but no one else can either. No one else can. So you know what? I'll see you in a moment.
Glad to have you here, Vivek. Glad to have you with us. Thank you.
Thanks, Dawson.
Nice try, Vivek.
So, you know, we all are concerned about driving safely in our cars,
Yeah.
right? So, how are we going to deal with this BBM video call while driving?
Well, it would be really dangerous to have full motion
I
video
would
on the
assume
screen.
so.
It's very distracting, and it's something that we're really sensitive about in our automotive software. But the software's smart enough to notice that context change. As soon as the car starts to move, it'll turn the video off, and it'll fall back to just an audio-only call.
Yeah,
so the same high-quality audio, but no full motion video.
That makes a lot of sense, right?
Yeah.
Yep. It's important, right? It's important. That is very exciting in itself, Mark. Now, this is a mobile computing endpoint in my language. It's a beautiful car with BB10 inside in your language. But you got to manage it, right? So software updates and all that kind of stuff, keep it updated. So how do you basically use BB10 in a car and BB10 on your device to manage that?
Yeah, well, like you said, the car really is just another mobile endpoint. And from the point of view of doing software updates and device management, there's no reason that you couldn't use the same BES 10 infrastructure that's using on the phone. And as a matter of fact, I'm kind of a lucky guy because I've actually got this Bentley in my hub.
Oh.
Yeah, and it'll send me, when there's a software update available, a notification.
Oh.
And then all I got to do is click that button, and it says, oh, okay. And then
Wow. Wow.
so that's pretty cool.
That is very cool. So that means you can have breakfast, sip your coffee, get ready for the day. You get this notification. Your car is somewhere LTE connected outside or Wi-Fi in the garage, and you basically kick this off. And you know, once you're ready to go to work and hit the car, you know, you're done, right?
Yeah, it's as simple as that.
That is so exciting. That is really cool. So we're talking about the BB10 software in the car, talking about how do we deal with software updates. Now, these are all cars that sell on a global scale. So you need to reach them, you need to manage them, you want to service them, telematic data, whatever. So what else can we basically offer in order to manage these cars on a global scale?
Well, that's another one of the advantages of BlackBerry is its global reach. And you're in how many countries?
It's 650 carriers in 175 countries.
That's pretty hard to beat, and it really is a global reach. And automotive is a global business.
So that basically makes a ton of sense that we have BB10 in the car, we have it on the device, we have the global data network, and we manage all mobile computing endpoints, as beautiful as these cars are. And you know, we help to really achieve a whole new user experience between the car and its user and the car manufacturer, right?
Exactly.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to let you get back on Turnpike. Drive safely, buckle up.
Thanks, Thorsten.
And no video calls while driving, okay?
Oh, it won't let me.
Thank you. Mark Wrigley, BlackBerry QNX. So I think that is a very fantastic proof point of mobile computing in one vertical, such as automotive. Woo. Okay.
5 by 5.
Let the brakes go.
See you later.
Okay. See you, Mark. See you. So this is a sleek, fast performance machine, I mean the Bentley, with BlackBerry 10, another sleek, high-performance machine at its core.